Well, the mission of Tune Up Philly is to keep children that live in challenging social and economic conditions, to keep them engaged in success through daily after-school music instruction. We believe that music education is a very powerful tool for these kids to learn the types of skills that they need to be successful in the classroom, at home and throughout the community. So skills like confidence, self-esteem, teamwork, being able to pose and solve problems, all of those skills that we hope to build through music. So what we do is that we have 80 children that come every day after school for 2.5 hours, and we work with them on an instrument of their choosing. And they receive group lessons, ensemble rehearsals, and general music ed. So our whole thing is that we strive for musical excellence, and in striving for the best musical product, then that's when the kids are able to learn the types of social skills, practical skills, executive functioning skills that I mentioned earlier.
And can you read all the notes?
Not too much.
Not too much? Okay, what note is this?
D.
On what string?
D.
Open
C.
D. Okay, good. And that one?
And then another D.
Okay, and then what's this one?
E.
Just keep it. And then this one?
G.
This one? What finger is that?
The E is one finger, and the G is 3 fingers.
On what string?
D.
Okay.
D.